Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to Oppo guys. Oppo phone guys dark mode setting guys how can be off. Friends, you don't want to use guys your Oppo phone guys dark mode setting guys. You want to off it. So friend, how can you turn off today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video. So friends, now let's see guys how can be off guys Oppo phone guys this dark mode setting. So guys we will have to on guys our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys you can see this tab setting. So guys we will search here guys direct guys here dark mode to off. So guys search here dark mode setting guys. You can see guys your dark mode setting guys. Click on guys your first one dark mode setting guys. Tap here. So friends you can turn off guys your dark mode setting from here. Left side tap here. So then guys come back. Friends you can see dark mode will off and light mode will on, and we can use guys the light mode setting and dark mode is off. So like that guys we can turn off guys our Oppo phone dark mode setting. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.